Alright, so we're on try hack me on DejaVu, and port 22 and 80 are up that we know of right now. Who knows what else? Oh, now they're both filtered. Maybe they're not up. They just came up. Yeah. Alright, Oreo says that it's good, so it's most likely pretty good. Which courses for Hack the Box? I was actually looking at their certified, was it certified penetration testing specialist, right? That's what's called. That's what their one's called. I was also looking at certified red team expert too. Wonder if I want to do that one like right there. It's mostly just because the certified red team professional got some questions on it again lately, so kind of got me thinking about doing certified red team expert. Okay, maybe it doesn't want to work. It did work like 3 seconds ago. Oh, this might be one of those boxes that are easy, but they're actually like extreme or insane because it only works for 1 minute at a time. That'd be exciting. If it is, I'm not gonna be able to do it. I'm just gonna have to go to bed. Sorry. There we go. It's pinging again. At least we're getting somewhere. Not moving very quickly. So the room's called DejaVu, so I pulled up my DejaVu script over here. Nothing much. Just just doing this stuff each night, and that's about it. Pretty easy days. I don't know my bookings on here. Obviously, we got ourselves a little dog gallery here. We click on different dogs, and we get a little dog pick ID equals 1. And what about 0? Is there a 0? Oh, there is. Look at that doggy. Hello. What are you doing? What's your name? Minstrel? What's up? Minnie is pictured in mythical place known as the outdoors. Oh, yes, you are. All right, let's see. Look at number 1. We're just gonna look at the dogs. We're not actually gonna do anything. Oh, that's a little husky. What you doing? Yeah, what you doing there, Bika? Let's go to number 2. Oh man, what you doing with your tongue out there, huh? Nana, huh? The hell is that? I think it's weird looking. Ah, 5. What the fuck was that thing? Ah, there we go. What are you boys doing, huh? You guys just waiting for someone to walk in the house? Yes, you are. Good boys. Okay, so it looks like oh, a bunny rabbit. I like bunnies. Bunnies are cool. So, all right, cool. So let's go ahead and check out just the regular page because it does say there's something bamboo. Yeah, imposter. Yeah. What was that thing doing there? That was this. All right. So it did say to look at the source code here, right? Let's go ahead and stop this over here. So if we look at our little thing over here, right? Click around, let's say find a developer comments. We can. Okay, can you find a page that gives you more details about dog photo? We can. For an MF scan, what version of SSH is in use? Jesus, what the fuck? That just took like a hard turn. It's like, do you see the dog pictures on the website? Yes. What version of SSH does it use? What the shit? How about like what version of HTTP is it? Okay, so we know we got some dogs in here, right? So let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Wants to use big.txt, so we can go ahead, we can do that. OpenSSH 8.0. Does it actually want like protocol and everything on here? Let's see here. It looks like it. So it wants something like this, like right here. This whole thing. Yes, it does. Okay, cool. What's up, Years of Looks? How you doing? Entertainment, how you doing? All right. So let's go ahead and run Fear Buster on site. It wants us to do that next. Set big.txt. Well, let's go ahead and derby big.txt. Throw 100 threads at it, even though I don't know if it's going to be able to take it or not because the machine's been acting up like a little bit, but we'll try it. See what happens. All right, we do know that there's also a dog pick thing in there too, so we may want to look at that also. Don't know if we're exactly in the right spot, like right here or not. Even Cadesi, hey, thanks a lot for the follow. Thank you very much. All right. Let's go ahead. There's the bunny rabbit. Let's go ahead and click on that little handsome boy like right there. See if we get anything with that. We do not, okay. Alright, so we get that guy like right there, right? I try to figure out back end wise how it's actually coming up with stuff, right? So let's go ahead and look back at our little, we got an upload area. That might mean something to us, right? If you want to upload your own dog, you've come to the right place. Ooh, have we now? Okay. This is DejaVu though, so I don't really understand. Slash upload. Let's see if got some stuff in here. I feel like we were all supposed to find slash API, but we have not seen that just yet. And big dot text there. So we're probably gonna have to look at what is it? GoBuster, or not GoBuster, but Burp Suite. Just going to open up Burp Suite. Say OK. Next, we're going to start a burp. Ascertainment, I already opened up a code today, sorry. I'm going to intercept that. Let's go ahead and check out this, I guess, sure, why not? We'll see what this is all about, like right here. And then we got to look at the metadata, and that would be in, it's in target, right? Sitemap, yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's shitty. All right, let's try this, like right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll throw in that same exact IP address in there. Let's see what we get here. That same exact thing, right? Let's see what we get. I think I got a little bit too much stuff going on here, huh? Okay, let's go ahead and stop that. Stop this. Come back over here. All right. What's wrong, Ascertainment? Should be in target sitemap, right? That's like where we would see like APIs and stuff like that, right? But for some reason we're not getting anything. This guy didn't open it up at all. So let's go and do this. See if, okay, there we go. Okay. There we go. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of the upload spot there. And then we'll go ahead and we'll click on dog again. Just so we can get as much. Okay, there we go. Get exif data. Okay. So yeah, exif tool version 12.23. Alright, so 12.23. So now we can go ahead and we can check out that exif version like right there and see if it's vulnerable. See what it's vulnerable to, right? So exif tool 12.23 exploit. Arbitrary code execution, DejaVu. Okay, so it looks like we got a few things in here, right, for exif tool. Okay, Not the save DejaVu that I was using, I don't believe, although it may be. So we could give it a try, or we could just use, let's go ahead and give it a try. The one that I made, I think I made that one for, I think I made this this bash version that I showed you guys a little bit ago here. I made this like right here, not that. I did not make that. Where's it at? I had it on my GitHub, didn't I? I made this one like right here for virtual hacking labs. So let's go ahead and do a cd into tools, cd into invoke everything. Let's see if DejaVu's in here. It is. Let's go and try to do a bash dejavu.sh, the L host. So the L host is going to be that like right there. Let's see if this is going to work for us. All ports could be on port 80, right? Our host, myself, okay, let's go and check that out like real quick. Our port, we'll say 4444. Okay, easy day. Let's see if that's going to work. Start listener on that guy, port 80. Oh, press everyone right. Oh, crap. I freaking messed up my own damn script. L host is me. L port is that. R host is obviously the other guy. I don't know why I just did that like right there. That was funny. I'm sitting here like, why would I start a listener on? How the hell would I do that? Okay, port 80. Okay. Press enter when ready. I'm ready. Okay, so try to post some data there. I wonder if I actually need to do it to /upload or something like that, but I feel like what we're going to need to do is actually just I feel like we're going to have to actually make the file. So let's go ahead and I wonder if I can actually do a quick bash. This one was for GitLab, like right here. That's what this one's for, just so you know. In case you're like, what the hell? And that doesn't work at all because it's for GitLab. It's not for actually uploading something like this. But I just wanted to give it a quick try to see if we could actually do it or not. Yeah, okay. So it's got the lol.jpg, so JPG. So let's go ahead and I want to try to upload this, see if that will actually work also. This is just my own little testing, like right here. This one's called DejaVu. Okay, so that didn't work like right there. Okay, that's okay though, because we definitely have some other stuff that we could utilize, right? We could use Metasploit if we want to, most likely, or we could probably use something like this, like right here, but that's still going to the IP address. Let's see here. We're going to need to upload a file, right? So we're going to need some type of code execution on the file, right? That one's obviously using a different, because that one's obviously for something different, like right there. So let's go ahead and exit tool, arbitrary code execution on exploit DB. Let's see what this is. So this is not Metasploit. This is the Python 3.1. Okay. Let's go and try this guy right here and see if we can get anything with this guy right here. We'll do a quick exploit.py, Python exploit.py. We should need custom command code, provide command execute, reverse shell mode, provide local. Okay, let's go ahead and do attack S. And then it obviously says right here, provide local IP and port. So let's go ahead and do that. And then a port, which should be 4444. Okay. So now I made the image.jpg file. Okay. So let's go ahead and upload that one like right there into here. We'll go ahead and try this out like real quick. /upload, right? What in the hell? That's reset. I was like, what is this? Home, desktop, try hack me. DejaVu and image. Okay. So I'm going to go down to test down here. And we do get a reverse shell. Sweet. So now we got dog pics, okay? Easy day. And what question do we have? Provide the title and capture for specific dog image. Specific dog image. I don't know. That's a great question. Title caption. Slash. This is talking about the slash that's over here. Slash question mark ID equals. Where's the damn thing at? Should be in metadata, I feel like. Dog get metadata, is that what it's talking about, like right there? Is it talking about that, like right there? So just slash get metadata. Okay. For further information about the dog picture, and that's going to be about the dog picture. I'm going to go with get exif data. Okay. What attribute in JSON response from this endpoint specifies the version of exif tool being used on the web app? Exif tool version. Is that what it's talking about? I believe it is. And that was 12.23. The CVE for it is this guy like right here. And we already exploited it. Oh, they did want us to use metasploit actually. Choose the flag located in there. Okay. CD and dog pics. We'll also get a full shell here in a second, so we don't mess too much up here. Let's go ahead and get a full shell. Okay, never mind. That was a joke. Haha. Funny. I know there's other ways to be able to get a full shell. Like you can do it with Perl and stuff like that also. Okay, so now what do we have here? Prevest, okay. You know what? Let's figure it out ourselves. All right. So we need, why can't we get Python? I feel like there is Python on here. Stabilize shell without Python. Python. SoCat, okay. From netcat with magic. Let's see here. That's what we really want is that, like right there to work, but for some reason Python 3 are not on there. I feel like it is though. Pi environment on here. We definitely need to upgrade this simple shell, like right here. Okay, we need to figure out another way to be able to get this shell upgraded. Okay, there's that. Yeah, I just found it. Thank you. That guy like right there, but we're still don't have like a good shell, but better than what we had before. Okay. Let's go to temp. Let's go ahead and cat cron tab first off. Let's go ahead and cast some SUID bits. That's weird. Okay, so we got home dog-pig server manager as an SUID bit, right? Oops. Server manager, okay, and system CTL is also in here too. And we have server manager, like right here, we have server manager.c, which I can read that. Let's go ahead and cat that. Okay, what's this guy doing? Please enter a choice. Get server status restart server. Okay, is this thing going to set UID to 0 and set GID to 0. But here's the thing though, is that since it's in our home directory, we should just be able to delete it. So can I just do like Control Z and everything with this? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do it. Well, why the fuck have I been using the Python one this entire time? That is about 18 million times easier. Let me actually go ahead and echo that. Yeah, since this is our home directory, we can just go ahead, we can just delete this. So there's literally no point in us. Yeah, why the hell have I been using the damn Python one this entire time then? Why is that not the very first one that you ever learned about? Assholes. Okay. Thank you, Oreo. All right. So now from here, if we can delete that stuff and we can put our own in there, then we should just be able to really just do whatever the hell we want with it, right? And it looks like this is calling for systemctl, which is also in our home directory, right? And we can also delete that if we want to. So I'm going to move systemctl to systemctl.back. Yep, okay. Now let's go ahead and script full shell or bash reverse shell. And then we'll throw our IP address in here. Okay. Then from here, we'll go ahead and we will echo into systemctl. Then we'll echo this like right here. Into systemctl. Now if I go ahead and I cat systemctl, we see how we're doing bin bash. Actually want to change that up. Is there a nano on here? Or we got to use Vim. There. There we go. All right, cool. So there's that like right there. So what we should technically be able to do now is run server manager. And it should 0, I guess. I don't remember which one actually restarted it. Let's see here. Case 1. Okay, so no matter what, it's actually run systemctl, huh? But I'm wondering if it's running it. I wonder if we have to do, because it doesn't actually call for like the whole thing, right? So now I'm thinking that we're going to have to make it the path for it, right? And we're also probably going to have to make it executable too. I just figured since it's in the same directory, you know. Sharma, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good. So let's go ahead and do that, like right there. Let's also do an echo $sign path. Let's see if this place is in the path, which most likely is not. Home dog picks is in the path though. So that is already in there. .local / bin. Okay, so that whole thing's in there. So we just want just home dog picks. Yeah, no more camera. I got rid of it. It just takes up space on the damn thing. And my face doesn't really matter. It's what we're doing on the screen that matters. So I don't like I never really liked it, but it seemed like everyone else did it. So I was like, all right, I guess I'll just do that. But I just don't think that's you know. So let's go ahead and do a path equals. Oh shit. What was that noise? I don't know what half of these noises mean. Hey, thank you very much, Not a Carrot, for the tier 1 sub. Yo, it's gotta be Sharma then. It has to be Sharma. Has to be. Um, someone's been there's someone that's always anonymous tipster. If you guys are new here, and it's always something like that, just like Not a Carrot or just just a guy. Hey, thanks a lot. But yeah, like it's always something like that, and nobody ever says who it is. So we're gonna do /home dog picks, right? And then from here, we should, since we echo that path, we gotta do it in $path, right? And then from here, that should be really it, like right there. So now if we do an echo $path, and this is gonna work because that systemctl, they're not calling for the full path. So if we look at that cat server manager again, not that server manager.c, right? It's because they're not calling for the full path of systemctl. So now it's going to go to the very first path and then kind of work its way down, right? So the very first path now is dog picks, right? So if we actually run that now, we should get a call back over here with just get cert because it is calling for it. Then there we go, we're root. Awesome. It's just me just doing it. I'm just out there just. No, it is not. It's from 2013. All right, let's go with cd into root. We'll go and we'll cat that root.txt, and that's going to be it for this guy, like right here. Not a Carrot is not me. All right, let's go ahead and let's throw this into our over here. No, I actually told you I'd do the whole damn thing. Guess we said we weren't going to watch it. Okay, and that is it. Let's go and shut that machine down. I have not Sharma, but we can. I mean, I don't really know how to get started. I just opened it up one day and tried it. I do have a video on how I started.